I am back. Well, I never left to y'all, but I'm back because I did take a break from filming. In case y'all didn't know, I do film a bunch in one sitting. So when I need a break, I take one. And actually, I have not filmed in a month, which y'all probably have no idea about until now. But yeah, I'm back in front of the camera. Today I'm doing a look using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Blue Blood palette. The palette everyone raves about. That's actually worth raving about. And it's just this palette of beautiful blues, shimmers, mattes. It's just a really nice palette. And I love how the look came out. Blue is one of my favorite eyeshadows to wear anyway. And I just love how all the colors go so well together. I did wear a pretty bold lip, also from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. But feel free to wear something neutral. Y'all know color is my middle name. I don't know. I was obviously born. My mom must have worn a lot of color when she had me or when she was carrying me. I don't know. I just love color. Okay, y'all should know that by now. If you guys like to see the look, just keep watching. For my primer, I'm starting off with Too Faced Shadow Insurance. This is the mini size that came in one of the holiday kits. I'm putting this at the top and the bottom. Now, let's go ahead and get started with the eye look. Since I got my primer, brows done, all that good stuff. I have the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette. And it's just a palette, a bunch of blues and complementary colors. Very thick packaging. Not really a fan, but okay. I understand why it was made, because some people are packaging hoarders. I like the packaging. I just think it's bulky, and I don't like bulky packaging because I try to limit space in my particular collection, but I totally understand people who love the packaging. I totally get it. It's just not my favorite. For the center of my lid, I'm taking a flat shaded brush. Just take a medium flat one. I'm going to take Priceless. Now I know some of you may be like, okay, you're going for a lighter color first. What's going on? But just follow me, okay? It's gonna be fine. Hopefully. So I'm applying this on the middle of the lids. For the inner corner, let's put that down. I'm going to take Flourishing, which is the teal in the palette, the matte teal, this one here. I'm going to use this brush, which is a Coastal Scents BRC S08. It's a fluffy contour brush. I'm going to apply this on the inside first. Just kind of tapping it into place. For starters. You can go up as high as you like, but I'm kind of stopping it low because I might add a different color in the crease. Gonna think about it first. So that's what it should look like now. I have one of my makeup rags. I will have these linked below for you. I got them from Amazon, not sponsored. I bought actually 2 sets of them so I can have extras on hand, you know, in case some are dirty and I didn't want to wash them right away. For the outer V, I'm taking this gorgeous color called Blue Monday. I know this is not safe to use around the eyes. I'm not going to get into that right now, but that kind of ticks me off. Like, why make an eyeshadow palette if some of the colors aren't safe for the eyes? Whatever. This color is called Blue Monday. I'm going to use it anyway and hope I don't die. Using the same brush, and I'm going on the outer V with this. Maybe because it's not inside my eye, it won't matter. I'm kind of doing the same method here. I'm tapping it into the skin. Not blending just yet. I'm just tapping the color on. And then when it stops working by tapping, you can start sweeping it a little bit. And start kind of carving it into the outer crease. I'm now going to go directly into the crease. I'm going to use Mint Tea, which is this color here. And then this is a Morphe B43. I'm applying this directly into the crease. All the way across. Sweeping above that outer crease color. And also the inner corner color. I'm gonna touch up those inner and outer corner colors. I'm going back in with the other brush I used. I'm gonna do the teal first, which is the Flourishing. And then the outer V color, the Blue Monday. I'm gonna go back in with the center lid color again, which is Priceless. And you just want to make sure everything's well blended to the best of your ability. I would put glitter in the middle. I was actually considering it. It would be really pretty if I did it, but I don't think I'm gonna do it because I just want to wear the eyeshadows just to see how they look on their own this time. But you know, once I do it, once I wear them and everything. For the brow highlight, before I forget, I'm gonna take Priceless actually, which is the same color I used in the middle of my lid. That color there. This is a Sedona Lace EB09. I'm not gonna apply it too much. This is strictly, basically, to make sure the outer crease is blended well. I'm gonna take a bit of that shimmery highlight in the palette. This is called Cullinan. This color at the top left here. It looks just like a white, but it's not. It's more of a shimmery ivory beige color. I'm taking this just at the highest point of my arch because everything's so matte and I want, whoa, okay. I was about to say a little shimmer, but that's a lot. So I'm going to blend this out as best as I can because I did not want it to be that shimmery. So the eyeliner I'm going to use is called Prussian. It's a PowerPoint eye pencil from MAC. It's a darker blue. I'm applying this in the waterline and lower lash line. Nice and blue down there. For the inner corner, I'm taking Ocean Ice, which is that gorgeous shimmery blue. I also don't think this is quite eye safe. I think the actual colors that aren't eye safe are on the box, which I'm throwing away, so oops. But I'm gonna do it anyway. Use it at your own risk. I don't know exactly what it could possibly do, but I guess he's just trying to cover his butt by telling people that it's not eye safe. But I'm trying my best not to get it in my eye. Oh, it's beautiful. That is absolute beautiful color. I don't know if y'all can see that in the lower lash line. I don't know why it's not as safe. It's like the perfect shimmery blue. Okay, for the inner corner, I'm taking Ice Tray, which is like a silvery blue, that shimmery, that one there. I'm also gonna go a little bit above, not too high. And you see, and there's a nice pop of brightness in there. Just a little on both sides. For the top eyeliner, I have the NYX Epic Ink Liner. This is in black. Gonna go ahead and apply some concealer for that, I'm using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, Dark 40. And then to blend it out, just using this concealer brush from R&L Moda. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara to the top and bottom just because my concealer is done. So I don't have to separate the two like I normally do. This is pure fully charged mascara. A couple of people asked me in past videos, does this really light up? Like they thought their eyes were deceiving them? Yes. It is actually called the pure fully charged light up mascara. And it has a light in there, which can be annoying sometimes, but I've kind of gotten used to it. Lash time. I'm using the Red Cherry 113s. They look like this. So, I'm taking the Bare Minerals Made to Fit Fresh Faced Liquid Foundation. And it's my particular color. If you guys aren't familiar with this foundation, you basically download the app, the Made to Fit app from the App Store or Google Play Store, and it literally scans your face and gives you the perfect match based on the process that goes through in the app. It's pretty cool. It's your custom shade. I love this. I've used it a few times in the past, but I just recently rediscovered it by shopping my foundation stash. I have so many foundations that I need to use instead of sticking to the same ones. But guys, this is my perfect color. It still is. I got this formulated actually 2 years ago. I know, I'm supposed to throw it away like what, every 5 years maybe? I don't know. Oh, it hasn't been 5 years. Anyway, the stuff is awesome. So you're gonna see, you'll see it's the perfect color for me. I love it. I'm glad I rediscovered it. But before I do that, I'm actually going to, well actually, oh, here it is. My Primetime Brightening Foundation Primer. I'm just gonna put a little of this on, nothing too crazy. And I'm putting it just directly on my face. So I'm actually gonna use the same brush I use for foundation. This is just the Bare Minerals. Actually, Bare Essentials. It's the same company. Y'all know that. Bare Essentials Heavenly Face Brush. So I'm just applying this lightly. It's gonna help give my skin a luminous finish, but the foundation kind of does that honestly anyway, so I'm not going too crazy with this. Now, I'm gonna dip the same brush. I'm gonna dust it off a little bit just to get the leftover primer off of there. You can definitely use your fingers if you want, but now I'm going in with the same brush and the Made to Fit foundation. I'm going to apply this. Looks dark at first, but man, it's like my perfect shade. Like, look how well it blends into my skin. Perfect coverage. I'm telling you, I love their brand when I worked there years ago, but man, they really stepped their game up after I left with their product selections. And what I have in my hand is actually enough, so I don't need to pump any more. Taking a little more around my mouth. That's where my hyperpigmentation is. Blending it down a little bit, not too much. For highlighter, I'm taking a very, very old school MAC Superb Extra Dimension Skin Finish. And I'm using a MAC 138 for that. It's a nice brush for highlighting. It's very tapered. Feel free to use as much as you like. For blush, I'm taking a color from Bare Minerals. This is Compassion, is one of their blushes. I'm dumping some into my lid. I find dumping into the lid is the easiest way to use loose blushes like this, so it doesn't, you know, apply too much color. Tapping off the extra. So the color I'm going to use from Jeffree Star is the Velour Liquid Lipstick, and I'm Royalty. It's a nice purple, and I think it would look very pretty with the blues I have going on. Oh, it's crazy. I love it. I'm going to cover my lash band because it looks a little more patent than I would like it. Y'all know I love a matte finish with my eyeliner, not patent leather. Hope you guys enjoyed this video using the Blue Blood palette from Jeffree Star. These colors apply way better than they swatched. I will say that. They did not swatch this well at all. Like, when I swatched it, I was like, why does everybody talk about this palette so much? Like, it's not good. But then I applied the colors and I'm like, okay, I see. That's why you can't always go by swatches. But I really like how this look turned out. Hope you guys enjoyed following along with the tutorial. Once again, that's the palette. Beautiful range of colors. It also has a mirror at the top, which I'm not going to show you because then you'll see how messy my room is, and I don't want that to be the talk of the video. I just want you to talk about the makeup, okay? Please don't forget to rate the video, subscribe to my channel if you have not, and also turn on your post notifications so you don't miss anything I post. Talk to all of you soon. Thank you for watching.